Violet mustard greens do not blend in. They announce themselves before you taste them. Color is the first signal. Deep purple veins, dark green to violet leaves. A visual intensity that already hints at flavor strength. Violet mustard greens are not passive greens. They are assertive, expressive, and unapologetic. Botanically, violet mustard greens belong to Brassica juncea, the same species responsible for brown mustard seeds. This immediately explains their personality. They carry the genetic blueprint of spice. Unlike mild lettuces or neutral greens, mustard greens evolved as chemical defenders. Their pungency is not accidental. It is a survival strategy. When you cut, chew, or cook violet mustard greens, enzymes activate compounds called glucosinolates. These break down into isothiocyanates, the same compounds that give mustard, wasabi, and horseradish their sharp heat. This heat is fast and nasal rather than lingering. It clears the sinuses. It wakes the palate. Violet mustard greens are cultivated versions of ancient wild mustards. Humans selected them not for softness, but for flavor impact and resilience. They thrive in cool climates and tolerate frost better than many greens. Cold exposure actually improves their taste. Frost reduces bitterness and enhances sweetness, while the pungent notes remain sharp but balanced. The leaves themselves are broad, slightly serrated, and flexible. Younger leaves are tender enough for raw use, while mature leaves are thick and ideal for cooking. Raw, violet mustard greens are peppery, spicy, and grassy. They demand pairing. Fat, acid, and sweetness calm their aggression. Oils, citrus, vinegar, and fruit work well. Cooked, the transformation is dramatic. Heat tames the bite. The leaves soften, darken, and develop an earthy depth. What was once sharp becomes rounded and savory. This dual personality makes violet mustard greens incredibly versatile. In Asian cuisines, mustard greens appear in stir-fries, soups, pickles, and fermented preparations. Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Southeast Asian kitchens use them differently, but always intentionally. In Indian cooking, mustard greens are foundational. Sarson ka saag is a classic dish built almost entirely around their flavor. Long cooking with spices transforms intensity into comfort. In Southern American cuisine, mustard greens are slow-cooked with smoked meats, vinegar, and aromatics. Here, bitterness becomes richness, and spice becomes warmth. Violet mustard greens also appear in modern culinary trends. Chefs use them raw for contrast, wilted for texture, or pureed into sauces for color and depth. Visually, violet mustard greens are powerful. They elevate plates without artificial color. Purple pigmentation comes from anthocyanins, antioxidant compounds also found in berries and red cabbage. These pigments are not cosmetic. They protect the plant from UV damage and oxidative stress, and they provide similar benefits to humans. Nutritionally, violet mustard greens are dense. They provide high levels of vitamin K for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin A supports vision and immune function. Vitamin C strengthens connective tissue and immunity. They are also rich in calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Unlike many greens, they combine mineral density with strong flavor, making them easier to consume in meaningful quantities. Fiber content supports digestion, while sulfur compounds support detoxification pathways in the liver. Like other brassicas, mustard greens have been studied for potential cancer protective properties due to the glucosinolate content. However, they are not neutral foods. Their strength requires intention. Overconsumption raw may irritate sensitive digestion. Cooking moderates this effect. Agriculturally, violet mustard greens are fast growers. They can be harvested young for baby greens or left to mature for hearty leaves. This flexibility makes them popular in small farms and home gardens. They require minimal inputs and tolerate poor soils better than many vegetables. This resilience is part of their long survival history. Harvest timing matters. Younger leaves emphasize color and tenderness. Older leaves emphasize bite and structure. Storage is short-term. Like most leafy greens, freshness determines quality. Wilted mustard greens lose both texture and punch. Preparation matters deeply. Washing must be thorough. Chopping should be deliberate. Cooking time should match intention. High heat for short time preserves bite. Low heat for long time creates depth. Violet mustard greens are not background food. They are conversation food. They force choices. Raw or cooked. Sharp or mellow. Accent or foundation. Culturally, mustard greens represent boldness. They appear in cuisines shaped by necessity, resilience, and flavor-forward thinking. They are not luxury greens. They are honest greens. In modern diets chasing neutrality and bland convenience, violet mustard greens remind us that food once had edge. They challenge the palate. They demand respect. They reward courage. Violet mustard greens are not here to please everyone. They are here to mean something.